This is 150 watt high bay UFO model with dimmable driver. We have to control externally by DC control circuit. Now I am switch on these lights. So this is 10% of light. This is 100%. Now I am connecting control circuit. Switching on. Now the input voltage. This control circuit gives 1 to 10 volt DC. This is used for triggering purpose. We have to control up to 50 lights of 150 watt high bay. So now the voltage is 1 volt, so we are getting 10% of light output. Gradually I am increasing some 2 volt. Now the voltage is 2.16, 20% of light we will get it. At the same time the input power is approximately 80. I have connected 2 in parallel, so divided by 2 it comes around 40 watt per this high bay light. I am increasing gradually 3.25, 30% light will be getting, 4.2 and 40% we are getting, gradually increasing. Now 7.11. The input power is 255 divided by 2 because I am connecting 2 in parallel. 253 means 125 watts per this single high bay. 7 volt, it gives 70% of light output. Now I am increasing the voltage at maximum 10 volt. So we are getting input power 330 watt. This is the input power divided by 2 is approximately single 150 watt high bay input power is 165 watt. DC side power is 150 watt. This is a neutral white light. This is used for industrial purpose, indoor lighting purpose only. Thank you.